Hi, this is Cliff Thompson with Aces Router Service. We specialize in sewer and drain line locations that are hard to find. We provide state-of-the-art camera equipment where we can isolate your problem and save you money.
We are bonded, insured, and our work is warranted. Aces Router is dedicated to excellent customer service at affordable rates.
Now, I don't know about you, but in my house, not everybody always sees eye to eye.
Cowboys.
Sooners.
Cowboys.
Sooners.
Cowboys.
Sooners.
Sooners strong!
But we all agree the customer is always number one.
We are fast and dependable.
For a good service and a reputation to follow.
Call Aces Router.